I was just sent this box of preserved flowers, and shout out to the company for sending me this product. My birthday's right around the corner, so I'm so excited to unbox these with you and show you what they look like. So let's go ahead and check them out. So as you can see, they come in this box like this. The great thing about these flowers is that they are available in a variety of colors. I went ahead and got the red ones, but they're available in white, in pink, in yellow, in blue. So let me go ahead and take them out. So you can see they do have some plastic wrap around them. Super nice box. Also in this bigger box, I do see that there is a little card. Check that out. Nice card. It's called Beloved Florals. Also get a nice little ribbon with a bow in the front. So take a look. Super cute. The bow does say I love you. It is a black and gold ribbon. So let me go ahead and open these up. So I have officially removed the plastic, but take a look at the box. Super nice, luxurious box. It is in the shape of a heart. So let's go ahead and open them. Wow. Such nice. As you can see, I did the full unboxing with you. These flowers are beautiful. They come packaged just like this. There are two options available. You could get them in the 27 count or the 16 count. These right here are the 27 count, but look at the beautiful roses. Wow. And they actually smell really good. Super, super nice. These are long lasting, so I think this is such a beautiful gift idea for a birthday, for an anniversary, for Mother's Day. So, so cute. As you can see, they're stamped right there. And open them. So they do give you two little blank cards if in case you want to write your own personal message. And then here you just get a little thank you from Beloved Florals, real roses that last for years. So on the back here, you do get a how to care for your preserved flowers. So you get steps on how to care for your flowers. Longevity with proper care, preserved flowers can last 1 to 3 years. Keep cool, avoid high temperatures, high humidity, no direct sunlight, dust gently, do not water or refrigerate. I absolutely love these, especially if you have ever received flowers, you know that they do not last as long. They are beautiful. So I do love that this is an amazing gift option to give to somebody that will actually last you years. So I think that is so nice. They look amazing. And this is a great gift for somebody on their birthday or on their anniversary. So if you yourself have been on the lookout for a nice birthday gift or a gift to somebody or even a gift to yourself, then I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Like I mentioned, they are available in a variety of colors and they also have a smaller count available. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.